And there is no better singular example of America's leadership in science and technology than the fulfillment of that presidential pledge to, before this decade is out, to send a man to the moon and bring him back safely to Earth. If building a great nation depends on building a scientific and technological capability that is second to none, then those 5 words, uttered by our 2 astronauts in that lunar module in July of 1969, is testament to one of our nation's greatest scientific achievements. Houston, the Eagle has landed.
And I'm gonna be high as a kite. And I'm just gonna feel like I'm crazy, I'm gonna get too high. I'm not all night, but we
story of how a small and seemingly insignificant group of English colonies were forged together and together built the greatest nation that the world has ever known. But as we look back on the great American journey from the colonial backwater to world superpower we are today, we are reminded that the greatness of America is not found in her skyscrapers, nor her highways, nor her factories, nor her laboratories. Indeed, the greatness of America is found in the people who design the skyscrapers, the people who build the highways, the people who toil in the factories, and the people who invent in the laboratories. It is the generations of industrious, innovative, and dedicated Americans who have truly built this nation. And on this Labor Day weekend, it is both fitting and proper to salute all those ordinary people who have had an extraordinary role in building our nation. Let us end this glorious evening confident in the enduring qualities and inspiring dedication of all of us, the common men and women who labor to build a great nation, perhaps the greatest nation, our nation, the United States of America.
He's shy.